So we are absolutely entering a new era. We're at this turning point where artificial intelligence isn't just a tool following our orders anymore. It's actually starting to make decisions that, shape our entire world.
But this brand new power comes with some seriously tough questions. I mean, think about it. What happens when a self-driving car gets into an accident? Or, say, an automated system just flat out denies someone a really important, life-changing loan, and there's no human you can even ask for an explanation. So yeah, when things go wrong, who's to blame? That's really the giant puzzle we're all trying to piece together right now. And let me tell you, there are no easy answers here. Do you point the finger at the programmer who wrote the original lines of code? Or maybe the company that deployed the system? Or, and this is where things get a little bit science fiction, do you somehow hold the machine itself responsible? A huge part of this entire problem comes down to something experts call the black box dilemma. And what it is this technical challenge that has created a massive ethical problem for all of us. Okay, so the black box problem is basically this. Sometimes an AI's internal logic is just so complicated that even the people who built it can't fully explain why it made a specific choice. It's almost like it's seeing patterns that we can't, and that creates this huge gap when it comes to accountability. Think of it like this, right? We control the input, all the data we feed into the AI, and of course we see the output, the decision that comes out the other side. But that middle step, the how and the why that happens inside the box, well, that is often a complete mystery. And you really can't make the mistake of thinking this is just some abstract debate for a philosophy class. It's not. This stuff is happening right now, today. AI is being used in really high-stakes fields. I'm talking about healthcare, where it's helping with diagnoses, in finance, where it's deciding our economic futures, and even inside our legal systems. In these cases, the question of who's responsible, well, it isn't just academic, it can literally be a matter of life and death. So, what's the solution then? Well, the most common idea you'll hear is to just keep a human in the loop. But as we're about to find out, that is way, way harder than it sounds. The go-to argument is that we need to have a person who gets the final say. The idea is to use AI as this kind of super intelligent advisor, but to make sure that the ultimate moral responsibility stays firmly in human hands. Okay, but here's the huge catch with that idea. As these systems get smarter and more autonomous, they're learning faster than we can keep up. Is it even realistic to think we can truly stay in control? You've got these two opposing forces, right? On one side, our goal is total human control. We want to be the ultimate authority. But the reality is that these machines are getting more and more independent, and there's a very real danger that they could start operating way beyond our own ethical reach. So, you see, this isn't really a technical problem we can just code our way out of. At its heart, it's a fundamentally human one. And it all boils down to a simple question of trust. Because really, at the end of the day, it doesn't matter how fast these machines can think or how much data they can crunch if that foundational element just isn't there. It all comes back to this one powerful idea. The future of AI isn't just about speed and intelligence. It's about trust. Without that, none of the other amazing stuff really matters. So I guess I'll just leave you with this final thought. If we can't figure out who is responsible when things inevitably go wrong, can we ever truly trust and truly coexist with these incredible things that we ourselves are creating?